Here's a bombshell that's shaking the oil industry to its core. Kazakhstan is dragging some of the world's biggest oil giants to a Swiss court in a staggering $166 billion lawsuit. Yes, you read that right. $166 billion. The OPEC Plus producer is accusing major players like ExxonMobil, Chevron, Shell, Eni, and TotalEnergies of contract delays, bribery, and cost overruns that have allegedly cost the country billions in lost revenue. But here's where it gets controversial. Kazakhstan isn't just pointing fingers. It's backing up its claims with evidence from legal proceedings in Houston and Italy, aiming to prove bribery in oil field development contracts. And this is the part most people miss. This isn't the first time these allegations have surfaced. Back in 2016, Italian prosecutors dropped a corruption case against Eni over its activities in Kazakhstan. But the country is now determined to revisit those claims in a Swiss arbitration court. The heart of the dispute lies in the Kashagan Oilfield, one of the largest and most complex projects in the world, developed by a consortium including Kazakhstan's state oil firm, Kazmunaygas, and international majors. With stakes held by companies from China, Japan, and Europe, the project has been plagued by delays and disputes, leading to massive financial losses for Kazakhstan. The country is also seeking an additional $15 million plus interest from Eni and others accused of bribery, arguing that previous investigations were insufficient. Eni, however, has pushed back, claiming the allegations are based on old, unfounded schemes that were dismissed by Italian authorities over a decade ago. But here's the real question. Is this a legitimate fight for justice or a strategic move by Kazakhstan to renegotiate its position in the global oil market? The lawsuit comes at a time when the country is grappling with economic pressures and seeking to maximize its oil revenues. Meanwhile, the oil majors are no strangers to legal battles, but a $166 billion claim is unprecedented. Earlier this year, a Kazakh court overturned a $4.4 billion fine against these companies for sulfur pollution, raising questions about the consistency of legal actions in the country. This case isn't just about money. It's about trust, transparency, and the future of global energy partnerships. If Kazakhstan succeeds, it could set a precedent for other resource-rich nations to challenge multinational corporations. But if the oil giants prevail, it might reinforce their dominance in the industry. What do you think? Is Kazakhstan justified in its claims, or is this a case of overreach? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments below.